This is a 32 Ford Sedan, all steel. I'm gonna have Joel tell a little bit of the history on this car. This one is currently for sale on opposingcylinders.com. You'll see all the photo collection. I think we have 40 to 50 photos at least on our website of this. You'll see the full description. But tell us a little bit of the history on this car in particular here, Joel.
Well, basically this car spent its whole life in Birmingham, Alabama, in the surrounding suburbs there, and it was owned by a husband and wife. And they basically, the known history of this car goes back to about 54 or 55, and some good friends of ours, they knew the car back when they were in high school, and so it's always was one of those kind of cars that you heard about but you never saw, and then once the owner said, hey, yeah, you can come and look at it, it was like, okay, you got to go and see it, and this is what it is, and then you're just like, okay, where's this been hiding all this time,
right,
and everything. So it's a true blue 32 that
all original paint.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, we're pretty darn sure that it is. When you look in the drip rails and everything, that it's pretty legit. So
and you even look at the doors. I opened the doors earlier and just the doors shut.
Yeah, and I mean, but you even look at how the paint is. You look at the underside of the doors by the drips. I mean, you know, it always is that age. Is okay. Where's another one like this going to show up?
Right.
And such. So I mean, it's a.
So instead of spending a fortune in metalwork, right? You could start off with this and either keep it the way it is, or you could start all over, and if you wanted to.
Yeah, I mean, this is that version that you can really get around and everything like that. So, you know, like we were talking earlier, it's based on what everybody wants their dream hot rod to be. And so, I mean, there's, you know, a lot of guys they want to keep this, they want to keep the character, they want to keep the vibe of the car the way it is, and enjoy it, and just kind of start a new chapter with it.
The older we get, the more we want to keep them like this.
Yeah. Well, because they're only original one time.
Yeah.
And so, I mean, you look at how the fenders are, the beads are nice on it. I mean, look at how nice the headlight bar is, the stainless on it. It's got.
I mean, the headlights are in perfect condition, right? Still has the original Ford.
Yeah. I mean, look at how nice the insert is.
Yeah. I mean, how much would just an insert go for? An
original insert that's good is, you know, anywhere from $800 to $1,000. Yeah. So, and I mean, the shell, I mean, you look at how the bezel is. I mean, yeah, it's got the pitting in it, but the bezel's not broke. The tip's all right there. I mean, it's...
Cal vent works, everything is here.
Yeah, it's complete. So, it's, you know, with it being a 4-cylinder car, yeah, maybe some, you know, it's got more, doesn't have as much of a desire as what the V8 car would be, but I'd take this car in a heartbeat.
Right. So make sure, again, check out opposingcylinders.com. You'll see probably 50 plus photos. Give us a call at 937-430-0242. It's a great car. It's a great price. We've seen it in person, but the photos don't lie. The photos tell the true story, but there's also some history behind the car. So very well represented.
If we need to take a picture or show something, happy to do that. But, you know, the car is what it is.
Right.
I mean, there's nothing to hide or anything like that. So, you know, let us know.
Perfect.